LG Audio Video Home Appliances.
Happy to have you with us. Just a slice of the big crowd. And of course, on Commissioner's Row, ang aming presidente ng Vintage Sports, Ricky Velas, together with Commissioner June Bernardino. Isa na naman successful affair. And of course, ang suki ng PBA, Congressman Margarito Teves ng Negros. Enjoying this game number 1 ng Commissioner's Cup Finals. Samantala, si Kevin Holland siniksik sa loob. And a good rebound mula kay Hison, pero tatawagan tila siya ng foul. Medyo may nakalabas yatang kaliwang kamay.
Yeah, tumulak siya kay Kevin Ramas, who is certainly bigger than he is and more familiar with the rebounding. Valdebet is now coming for Pido Harencio. So Sunny, medyo inaalis-alis na niya yung kanyang mga pinalaro doon sa end of the third quarter. Hison came in for Cayoso, maybe later on si Locsin. But Locsin is the one who seems to be lost in their offensive pattern. Parang hindi niya malaman kung saan siya fit in.
Nakita natin ang scoring by periods. Kung ating titingnan yung numero ni Locsin, Dr. J, 4 na puntos pa lamang. Samantala, si Vince Season sa fast break play. Tuloy-tuloy!
And the foul from Gomez. So another good assist by King. King is nearing a triple-double already. Just a couple of assists from a triple-double.
And he has really come out to play, showing his leadership. Hinabol ni Roel Gomez, si Vince the Prince. Bahagya ng nahagip. At binigyan ng 3-point play ngayon.
Kung fa-foul ka rin lang ng ganyan, mabuti pa.
Ayusin mo na.
Siguraduhin mo na. Hindi
Parang
siya
yung foul na
magti-3
binigay
point.
ni Aquino, no?
Huwag ka na magbibigay ng 3-point play. Bigyan mo na siya ng 2 free throws. Make sure he doesn't make the layup. No?
Si Hison making a good accounting of himself right now. A total of 12 points.
Yeah, so much better no,
Yes.
than the semis. And it's coming at a time when they need it in the finals. No?
Talaga. 6 po ang abante ng Gordon's Gin. Again, sabi namin, ang head-to-head matchup dito sa Commissioner's Cup, 3-1. Abante ang Alaska Milk, but this championship series is altogether a different ball game. Bong Hawkins, inatrasan with 2 seconds to shoot.
Oh, what a shot!
Tough shot para kay Bong Hawkins.
Under time pressure. At alam niya, he saw it. No? That's why he had to take that kind of a jump hook.
So, 4 po ang abante ng Gordons. Uy, tumira ng 3-point shot si Chris King.
Well, nakita niya hindi lumalapit si Holland eh. So I'm gonna challenge you. Now, if you come by me next time, I might drive against you.
Yes.
You know, you have to fool the defense. You have to come up with certain offensive moves. And that was a nice triple B there by Chris King, his fourth.
Yes. 30 puntos na si Chris King. 4 na triple V.
Illegal defense ang aabutin ng Gordons and that will mean a technical foul called against them. I thought he sat down a lot and that was correct. Hindi na rin umangal si Sunny dahil nakita rin niya.
So at titira ng technical free throw si Johnny Abarientos. Medyo pinunta niya si Roel Gomez. At 10 minuto, 32 saglit po ang nalalabi sa ating final quarter dito sa game number 1.
Johnny with a new haircut eh.
Yung flat na flat, ano ha?
Oh, and Johnny a very good free throw shooter. Roel Gomez is a good free throw shooter but he misses that one. Mabigat yun. 7-point lead dito para sa Gordons. Their biggest lead of the ball game was 8 and you have Benny Cheng now being taken away. Kevin Holland, tignan mo ang kanyang numbers.
Well, Kevin Holland has been a powerhouse since he came in. At least yung play ng Alaska has gone back to that triangle offense with Kevin Holland. At kita natin ang kanyang mga numero at ngayon tatawag ng 30-second timeout si Coach Tim Cohn. Alaska down here by 7 points. 10-32 remaining. Again, we welcome you Philippines dito po sa ating game number 1 sa Cuneta Astrodome. Whatever happens, meron po tayong game number 2 na magaganap sa Araneta Coliseum sa Biyernes as this series progresses.
At lalo na pag ganito klaseng labanan, lalong parating puno yan si Paig Nepomuceno. I saw him earlier. I think that's his son. 3-time or 4-time world champion ng bowling.
Oo.
Ewan ko, baka nang magagdagan ko. Kung pwede, kuwain ko ng 11 times eh.
Basta alam ko Hall of Famer. At saka nasa Guinness Book of World Records yun si Paing
Of course,
Nepomuceno.
his wife is Pinky.
Yes.
Kanyang father-in-law si
Angel.
Popit. No, father-in-law.
Oh
Sabi
yes,
ko.
okay.
Popit po yan.
Alright.
Of course, father is Angel. He's been his mentor and trainer
Oh.
for all these years. No?
Ang daming bituin dito, Dr. J. Talaga namang they have come out to support their respective teams and bakit namang hindi? Talaga namang napakaganda nitong matchup na ito.
You know, some of them may not be for Gordons, they may not be for Alaska either, as we have a 3-second violation. But they know that they probably are due for a good basketball game. And anybody who loves basketball you know, pag alam mo magandang labanan, magandang rivalry, papanoorin mo kahit hindi ka, they may not be for any of these two teams.
Yes. Alam natin na million pa nanonood ngayon itong
Sa
game
bahay.
number 1. Oh. Ito si Chris King, tumira na naman ng 3. Wala. Rebound. Wala nakakuha. Finally si Kevin Holland.
Heason had a good chance to pick up that ball, but he decided to go back and be a safety guard. Valdavid still going against Johnny Abarientos. Johnny is going to play, it seems like Johnny's going to play 45 minutes tonight.
Malamang uubusin na ni Johnny ang oras dito. Abarientos nilabas. Nag-fake si Dwight Lago. Tumira ng palobo. Paboritong tira. Mintis at may loose ball foul. Ay tatawag laban kay number 44, Chris King. Second foul ng import ng Gordon's Gin Boars. Second team foul din yan ng Gordon's laban sa isa lamang para sa Alaska Milk.
9 minutes and 38 seconds left in this ball game. Both teams had flashes of brilliance in scoring, and then they had also minutes wherein they stopped scoring.
Ah. Well, ito si Barrientos. Gusto niyang pasukin yung depensa. Inilabas kay Bong Hawkins, and Hawkins almost a sure ball mula
Yan ang
sa range
sinasabi
na
niya.
yan.
You know, hindi ako double team dahil pag double team ka, others will score.
Oo.
Let him work to score his points. No? He'll probably score, but he's got to work for it. No?
Si Bong Hawkins ngayon may 18 puntos na to lead all scorers para sa Alaska Milk. Ben Season. Sumiksik sa loob, nilaglag kay Marlo Aquino laban kay Kevin Holland. Pagulong na tira, pumasok.
Finger roll's been working well. Marlo Aquino's had a good offensive night. Silang dalawa ni Hison were missing the other night offensively, pero today they've come and played.
18 points para kay Marlo Aquino, matching Bong Hawkins' output, and we talked about them at the top of the coverage. Sabi natin, hirap na hirap ang Alaska pag malaki. Yung mga malalaki really come out to play. Samantala, Hison binigay kay Wilmer Ong!
Ginaliwa pa.
Oo, and now Gordon's Gin rolling on with a 9-point lead.
That's the biggest lead of the ball game for them.
And they certainly are all pumped up para dito sa game number 1.
And why not? You know, you're coming off a scintillating double overtime win.
Oo.
Uy, almost traveling, but there was a foul by Wilmer Ong from behind.
Si Wilmer Ong ang tatanggap ng foul. At yan ay 13th foul ng Gordon's Gin. Second personal foul ni Ong. Some trivia here, ang Alaska is in their 4th straight final stint in the PBA Commissioner's Cup. Pero alam niyo ba na in those 3 previous Commissioner's Cup finals, Alaska
Only
has
won
always
once.
won game number 1, but they've only won 1 championship, but they've always won game number 1. Samantala, missing the mark completely. Nandun si Kevin Holland, wala pa rin. Lago, wala pa rin. Kevin Holland.
Finally, 2 offensive rebounds, 2 tip-ins there.
Inside pass. Ando si Chris King.
Foul
He will
yan.
get the bucket.
Yeah, that's a foul.
And you know, ngayon ang Gordon's, Dr. J, they're picking their spots. Nakikita nila yung mismatches and quickly they're taking advantage of those mismatches.
Yeah, you know, sinasabi nila maganda bantay ni Lago kay Chris King. If Chris King gets into position, he cannot guard him
Wala,
without.
oo.
If they don't help out, they're not going to be able to stop him. And Holland tried to help out, so he was called from the foul, with the foul from behind. 79-70, 7 minutes and 56. Still a lot of basketball left here. You know, adrenaline na rin minsan nagdadala. I think many of the players are already tired. It's been a
Oh,
long
yes.
night. No?
A remarkable game para kay Chris King. 33 puntos. A total of 12 rebounds para kay Chris King, and maybe double digits na sa assist.
Almost.
Oh boy, what a game for him. Abariento samantala, tumira sa baseline, lumabas. At ang tapik, napunta kay Valdavid, may loose ball foul.
It's gonna be on
Dwight
Lago.
Pang-apat na foul na yan ni Lago. And things are falling apart para sa Alaska Milk, at least at this stage, Dr. J.
Yeah, you know, they're gonna have to look for a leader, you know, and they're gonna have to look at some defensive stops. Pag hindi nila na-stop ang opensa ng Gordons, this is what Gordons like. Tirahan tayo,
Oo.
you know. Pag kami lamang, bahala na, you know, you try to use your game against us.
Two-man game sa kaliwang bahagi. Tira ni Matt and Jeff combination, at narito ngayon, itong si Lastimosa. 10 puntos ang abante ng Gordon's yan. A lot of time in this fourth quarter, 7 and 17. Tried to be a little fancy. Nakita ni Hison at the corner of his eye, napatakbo na yung dalawa niyang kakampi.
Yeah, well, again, they almost had a steal there because good hands have been able to help them get some steals.
7 and 13 remaining dito sa ating fourth quarter. Biggest lead of the game, 10 points, 80 to 70. Kanina ang Alaska pala, 11-point lead, 22-11 back in the first quarter. Ngayon may foul si Vince Hizon, pang-apat na yan ni Hizon.
Apat na rin ang team foul ng Gordons. One shy of getting into the penalty. Alaska, Noli has 3.
Johnny Abarientos nagtitimon para sa Alaska Milk. Kailangan na kailangan ng kanyang offense. So far si Abarientos has not scored in the fourth quarter. Lastimosa, laban kay Hizon.
Oh,
and
he
another
got
foul.
he got Lastimosa on the Hizon on the face.
Oh,
huh?
yes. Panglima na yan ni Vince Hizon. Siya pa ang tinawagan ng foul. At nakabaksak po si Hizon trying to shake off yung nangyari doon. Panorin natin ulit.
See, there's the move. He got him on the face. An extra motion there, which the referees did not catch. Huh? There was extra hands there.
From another angle. Dumobble team si Baldavid. Yun.
He got him
Yun.
on the face.
Oh,
See?
yes.
That was an extra motion there.
Pumasok na sa penalty ngayon ang Gordon's Gin with their 15th foul. Lastimosa inilabas kay Abarientos. He will take a 3.
Yes.
Finally gets the basket.
And that's certainly big for Alaska dahil medyo huminto na scoring nila. All of a sudden, they got it down to 7.
Pangalawang triple V ni Johnny Abarientos. A total of 18 points now for the Flying A. Hizon. Babawiin. Lumapit. Laban kay Bong Hawkins. Yes!
Iba has been able to score on the penetration despite Hawkins helping out. And Hawkins usually is a very good last line of defense.
Si Vince Hizon ngayon, 14 puntos na ang ginagawa. Above his average. Abarientos trying to take charge now. 6 of 8 remaining. Holland laban kay Marlo Aquino. Umangat. Yes.
Getting into good scoring position. Still a 7-point lead. 6 minutes left. This ball game.
7-point lead para sa Gordon's Gin. Hizon, titira ng 3. Wala. Rebound, Chris King. At may foul pa si Jojo Lastimosa.
Just going to be a side court throw-in. That's only the 14th foul for Alaska. They're still 1 away from getting into the penalty.
At ngayon, si JV Gayoso will check in para kay Vince Hizon who got it in the eye. Hizon will sit down after scoring 14 points at may kakasamang timeout mula kay Coach Tim Cohn.